Welcome back. So, since I've got a bunch of chocolate remaining from the last two videos, I just thought, what can I do with it? Well, I had an idea. I'm gonna chocolate dip a bunch of stuff, starting with some Cakesters. If you've ever had these, you know they're a little dry. Dip them in chocolate, elevates the game tenfold, promise. Next up, we're gonna make these look like they're covered in snow. Amazing. Also, I love Peeps, all forms of Peeps. And this is just one of them, and it's a fun festive thing, right? Followed by stocking Peeps. Yeah, we're gonna make these look like they've got that white rim, like right there. I mean, it won't look exactly like that, but it'll still be fun. Next up, these bad boys. We're gonna double dip these, just on the bottoms, to make them look like they're sitting in a muddy nest or something, or in snow, whatever. They'll be delicious. Followed by, yeah, loaded Oreos. It's an inception of Oreo. Oreo within an Oreo. Within an Oreo? Within an Oreo? We're gonna do some with milk chocolate and some with white chocolate and some double dip. Finally, last but not least, double stuffed. I love double stuffed, but we're gonna do it a little different. And if you wanna see how different, watch this little quick video. Let's have some fun today. Welcome back. So we're going to start with the white chocolate. All right. Be right back. Gonna zap it in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 total. That's 1 minute first, stir, 45 seconds for the second. And as you can see here, well, not here, up there. Here, that's all it took. And I don't have any gloves on. Hold on. I'm gonna nuke it up for like 15 more seconds. All right, that 15 seconds did wonders. Took me a few minutes to find my gloves. And now we start with the trees because they're on top. How should we do it? Should we completely cover them? Yeah. As you know by now, I use all sorts of tools in the kitchens, and this one is no different. Super simple. You can get it at Michael's. It's a handy little tool. So you just throw it in, get it on the edge there. Can you see it? You can see it over there. And tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Till all that excess comes off. The majority anyway, and then carefully put it down there. I don't know if you saw that. You probably didn't see that. So I'll do another one. Drop it in, cover it up, just like that. Tappy, 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 just like that. And then slide it off carefully. Voila. I'm gonna do 3 like that, and then the other 3 I'll just simply dip. Super fun. I love doing this. Just wait till Valentine's. We'll be dipping strawberries left and right. Cherries in there. I love a chocolate dip cherry. Don't get me wrong, I love strawberries, but cherries, they get me excited. For these ones, we're just gonna, okay, swirl it around, shake it off. Don't worry, if you shake it more than 3 times, it's okay. You're allowed to play with it here. Dip it in, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. And there you go, just like such. Dip it in, pull it out, let it drain off a little. Oh man, well, I messed up that one. Slid off my hand. What can you do? I guess I don't have that kung fu grip in my old age anymore. All right, for these little fun guys, we're just gonna dip them right there. As you can see, that chocolate that was on there is minuscule. Not when we're done with it. No, no. Just like that. Dip it in, right to that line, swirl it around, let it drain off a little, and there we go. Dip it in, swirl it around to get it all over on that line, shake it off. Shake it off. I don't know those lyrics. Got a little heavy on the dip on that one. That's okay. I don't think anybody's going to complain about that. Shake it off some more, like 2 dozen jiggles. Whoa. Make sure you don't fling it everywhere. And that's it for those. All right, next up, open sesame. There we go. Oh, they smell so good. The cutie patootie little tweets. And this, we just want to get that bottom done right there, because these will be getting double dipped with that milk chocolate. Not all of them, half of them. Maybe I do them all. I don't know. Who's going to tell me no? I'm not going to tell me no. Have you seen me? I don't know how to say no. Especially to candy and confections. That's why I got into this. Okay, that's only partially why I got into this, but still, you understand. Oh, we're running close. Running out, close to getting running out. Running out. Running. I'm almost running out of this stuff. Do you like chocolate dipping stuff? What's your favorite thing to chocolate dip? Mine is Oreos. I don't know why. I love chocolate dipping them. Those and Chips Ahoy. Both the soft and regular and the double chocolate chunk. You name it. People go nuts for those. But for me, Oreos of all types are a comfort food. Brings me back to being a child. If I'm sick, I like to get one in there. I used to sneak them when I was a youngster. And now I feel like it's just nostalgic. It's one of those things that's like chicken noodle soup for the soul. Oreo cookies for the soul. I didn't jiggle this one, and it shows. All right. Last little tweet, and we're running low. So, we're going to dip some of these Oreos. First, I've got to heat this back up. It's gotten a little thick. There isn't much left as far as the white chocolate goes, so I'm only going to get a couple of these done. That's okay. I don't like things going to waste. I talk about this in like all my videos. Okay, not all of them. Don't be calling me out on my bullshit. If you've never had one of these are the loaded. They've got the regular cookie cream that you would find in an Oreo, but also crunched up cookies of Oreos. So for these, we just toss them in there. Get our little Wilton spoon and drench it, flip it, do whatever you got to do with it. Just make sure it covers the whole of the cookie. Get it on the edge and tappity tap tap. Tappity tap tap, tappity tap tap. Look at me tap tap. Shoobity doop doop, shoobity doop 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 doop. And we carefully put it down, just like such. And I'm making a mess. And I had another idea. We're gonna throw some of this on there because it just sounds like a fun idea. Not a lot, just a little. I don't know if you can see that. And don't worry, at the end of the video, I'll show you, just like I do with my gummy stuff. And that's essentially all we do. Drop it like it's thought. Cover it up. Make sure it's in all the crevices and nooks and crannies. Tappity tap tap, tappity tap tap. Just like such. Bingo bango. It's rocked, baby. This one had cookie guts on the outside of the cookie. See there? Tappity tap tap. Whoa, almost lost it. Don't drop your load all over the place. And be careful you don't get them on the others that you already made. We've got maybe enough for 1 to 2 more cookies after this one. And then we'll continue on to the milk chocolate once these are all set. Yep, this is going to be the last one. Well, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, probably. What do you think, y'all? Think I can get another one in there? It won't be pretty, but we'll do it. It's just for us. It's not for customers or anything. But you can find chocolate-covered Oreos at chocolate shops. So if you don't want to make them, buy them. All right. It's not bad. Not bad at all. That's part 1. Part 2 is coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.